Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I need to put about 2 minus number 1. Later that we can do about factorization by number 2. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we have x, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And now we can simplify like this. So this one that is about u. This one that is about u square. X that is about this one. Dx that is about this one. And now I will put number 2 go outside. So this one we have positive u minus 1. And now u, I will multiply this one, and this one. So number 2 we multiply by this one. So we need to do about the factor divide by 2u square minus 1. So this one I will put negative u. So negative u, I will put this one cone here. Later that we need to add about negative number 1. Then we need to put back positive number 1. So this one we can do about factorization by u. And this one we keep the same. So 2u square minus 1 divided by 2u square minus 1, we have number 1. So we need to separate them in here. That should be like this. So the integration of u, we have u square over number 2. Number 1 that is about u. The integration of this one that is about 1 over 4 Ln of the absolute value of 2u square minus number 1. Now we just have only this one. So if we look carefully, that is about the square root of number 2 with u. everything to the power of 2. Number 1, that is about 1 square. So this is about identities. So we put about u with the square root of number 2 minus number 1 and u with positive number 1. So in this situation, I will put number 2 on numerator and the denominator. So number 2, that's about 1 plus 1. So we need to add about this one. Later that we need to minus about this one. Now we can do about factorization of this one, and that should be like this. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 1. This one divide by this one, so we have number 1. And now we have like this. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have number 1 over the square root of number 2 ln of the absolute value of u with the square root of number 2 minus number 1. And the second one, we have 1 over the square root of number 2 multiplied by ln of the absolute value of u with the square root of number 2 plus 1. And I will put about c. Now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So about u, that is about this one. So with the power number 2, we can simplify the square root. This is the end. Thank you for watching.